Jim Turnbull, J.E. Turnbull Plumbing. Been doing plumbing for 25 years.
Hi, my name is Dan Norton, and I'm the owner of Northeastern Development based in Scottsdale, Arizona.
My name is Joel Denneker. I work here at Ed's Auto Works.
My name is Terry Randall. I'm a commercial electrician from Chicago, Illinois.
My name is Glenn Cogner. I worked for Ross Smith Cabinet Maker for about 15 years now.
Hi, my name is Chris from Monster Metal Works, industrial fabricators.
Hi, I'm Dustin. I'm a mechanical contractor in Phoenix, Arizona. I've been in the business for 10 years.
Hello, my name is George Flaherty. I'm a foreman at Cortland Electric. I've been in this field for 32 years.
For the last couple of months, the people at DEWALT have asked me to try out some of their new tools, and I have to admit, when I first looked at it, I didn't think much of it. It didn't look like something maybe your mother would use. But this thing's got the abilities of the 18 volt, and it's a whole lot easier on the arm.
I thought it looked like a toy. I took it out in the field, I used it, it did everything I could imagine it could do, plus more.
Because it was so light, I was surprised about how powerful it was.
I put it to the test. I put a motor in a Chevrolet van. Anything I could possibly think of putting it on, I put it on to see if it would break it loose, and I'm very, very impressed.
I've been doing electrical trim out, mounting boxes, driving in 1¼ inch screws, driving in self-tapping screws, and I've even been able, on some occasions, to drive in concrete screws. So it's a real nice tool.
We generally put in screws anywhere from 1/2 inch, 5/8 to up to 3 inches when we're installing cabinets on a wall, one down. So the gun has plenty of torque for doing all of those applications.
It puts in sheet metal screws, ratchets, bolts, lasted all day long, charges quickly.
I also looked at this Milwaukee tool, and just based on design, and as you can see, we're doing a fairly high-end kitchen here. I wouldn't want it. The negative to this was that the balance of it looks like it would fall over, where this you can just easily lay it on the counter. That's a big plus.
This one, the last time I seen it, was sitting in water in my toolbox.
Here's a good visual of the option. You can take the Bosch tool and set it on the ground. It will not set up. Take that DeWalt with the nice flat battery, just stays there.
Compared to this, I mean, yeah, they similar in size, but there's no way this thing's going to put anywhere close to the power this thing does.
It has an easy load screwdriver tip, which the only thing you have to do is push in instead of actually pushing it back, and it's easy release just to take it out. You can even use just the tip of the Phillip head if you choose to do that, and once again, easy release to get it out.
I like the handle on them. The batteries last forever. They come with great chargers.
The lights on the front are really good for installations when you're in a dark corner in somebody's house and you need a little bit of light to see what's happening.
The light feature works great underneath the ashwork. You can hold the light, make the light stay on, and as soon as you want the trigger to work, it works great.
LED light, magnetic holder on the back. It has a nice belt hook. You can hook on your rear belt. Carry it around easy. It's compact.
We use it on anywhere from testing rotors, and we do a great job. Whether the rotor might be hanging up, we can test and see exactly what the actual temperature is after we come back from the road test.
The best thing about this screwdriver and impact drill that I've found is that you can carry it around with you and not even realize you have it. It's that light.
We can automatically go right to it, point to it, see what the temperature is reading, compare it to the rest of the car.
I couldn't be happier with it and can't wait for it to be on the market so I can buy one.